Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to 12th standard business maths class. Okay. Today we are going to see about discrete random variable and continuous random variable. The exercise 6.1, sixth question. A continuous random variable x has the following probability function. The value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the p of x are being given. The question is find the value of k, then they evaluate the values, and if p of x less than or equal to x greater than 1 by 2 value, find the minimum value of x. This is your question. The solution, the first one, find the value of k. We know that summation p of xi is equal to 1. That means the sum of all the probability is equal to 1. Sum of all the values is 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k, which is equal to 1. First consider the k value. K, this is k. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9k. Then consider the k square. Okay, k square plus 2k square plus 7k square. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. Plus 10 k square. Then the 0 equal to 1. Okay. So 10k square plus 9k. So making the transformation, this one left side minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is your quadratic equation. Okay, using the factorization method to find the value of k. So product of the coefficient of x squared into constant, plus into minus, minus 1 into 10, 10. Then the middle term is the sum of the value is 9. Okay, so what our numbers are, we select the product of value is minus 10 and sum of the value is 9. 1 tens are 10 and here put the minus into plus minus 1 tens are 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. So also divide the coefficient of x, k square. Coefficient of k square is 10, so divide both the factor by 10. Okay, 1 tens are 10, 1 tens are 10. The denominator add with the k, so 10k minus 1 into k, 1 into k plus 1, which is equal to 0. So now factorize. Then each of the factors are equal to 0. So 10k minus 1 equal to 0 or k plus 1 equal to 0. Then 10k equal to, taking the transformation 1, then k is equal to 1 by 10 or k is equal to, making the transformation minus 1. This is not possible because k is equal to minus 1 is not possible because so p of xi is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so now positive value only exists. So the value of k is 1 by 10. Therefore, the value of k is 1 by 10. Okay, understood? This is the first subdivision answer. Next, the second one, solution. Evaluate p of x less than 6 equal to, p of x less than 6 means below 6 values. So p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3 plus p of x is equal to 4 plus p of x is equal to 5. Okay. P of x less than 6. Below 6 values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Okay. Write the corresponding value 0, 0 is equal to 0 plus p of 1 is equal to k plus p of 2 is equal to 2k plus p of 3 is equal to 2k plus p of 4 is equal to 3k plus p of 5 is equal to k square. Okay. Then sum of the k 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. So 8k plus k square. Here replacing k value, k value is already find out. So k is equal to 1 by 10. 8 into 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 the whole square, k square. Okay. P of x less than 6 equal to 1 into 8 by 10 plus 1 square is 1, 10 square is 100. So 1 by 100. Here find the LCM. LCM is 100. 10 multiplying by 10 we get 100. So 8 is multiplying by 10 we get 80 plus 1. This is equal to 81 divided by 100. P of x less than 6 equal to 81 by 100. This is your answer of the P of x less than 6. Okay. Then find the P of x greater than or equal to 6. Okay, next find the P of x greater than or equal to 6. Okay, P of x greater than or equal to 6, that means 6 and more than 6 value. This is the x is the greater value. So P of x is equal to 6 plus P of x is equal to 7. Okay, this is equal to P of 6 value is 2k square plus P of x is equal to 7 value is 7k square plus k. And sum of the k square is 9k square plus k. Then replacing the k value here, P of x is greater than or equal to 6 equal to 9. K is 1 by 10, so 1 by 10 the whole square plus k is 1 by 10. So is equal to 9 into 1 square is 1, 10 square is 100 plus 1 by 10. This is equal to 1 9s are 9, 9 by 100 plus 1 by 10. The P of x greater than or equal to 6 equal to, find out the LCM. LCM of 10 and 100 is 100. And here 9 plus the 1 multiplying by 10, we get 1 tens are 10. Is equal to 10 plus 9, 19 by 100. This is the answer of P of x greater than or equal to 6. Okay, understood. Then the P of 0 less than x less than 5 is equal to, the x is greater than 0 and below 5. Okay, greater than 0 means P of x is equal to 1. Is a greater than 0. X is greater than 0, then below 5, less than 5. Plus P of x is equal to 2, plus P of x is equal to 3, plus P of x is equal to 4. Okay, these are below 5 values. X is equal to 4, 1. X is equal to, write the corresponding probability value. X is equal to 1 means k plus x is equal to 2. So 2k. X is equal to 3, the 2k plus x is equal to 4, 3k. This is equal to totally 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8k. So 8k is replacing k value 1 by 10, which is equal to, therefore the probability of 0 less than x less than 5 equal to 1 into 8, 8 by 10. This is your answer. Okay. Then the third submission. If P of x less than or equal to x greater than 1 by 2, then find the minimum value of x. Okay. Find the minimum value of x. X is less than or equal to x. So the P of 1 by 1 we check. P of x less than, first is 0, which is equal to, 0 value is 0, this is greater than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the greater value. Then P of x less than 1, which is equal to sum of these two values up to 1. So 0 plus k, which is equal to k value is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is 0.1, okay, less than 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 is equal to the decimal value is 0.5. Okay. So this is less than 1 by 2. Then p of x is less than or equal to 2 is equal to up to 2. We sum of the values 0 plus k plus 2k is 3k. Is equal to 3 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 1 3s are 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. This is also less than 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 is the greater. Then p of x less than or equal to 3 up to 3 k plus 2k 3 plus 2 5k. 5k is equal to 5 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is the 1 by 2. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2. But here 1 2 strictly greater than value, the greatest value. So p of x less than or equal to 4 is equal to 4 up to 4. This is 5k, then 5 plus 3, 8. 8k is equal to 8 into 1 by 10 is equal to 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is equal to 0.8. 0.8 is greater than 1 by 2. Is it or not? Yes. So the minimum value of x is 4. So p of x is less than or equal to 4 is greater than 1 by 2. Then the minimum value of x is 4. Therefore, the minimum value of x is 4. Have you understood the answer? Okay, the seventh question. The distribution of continuous random variable x in range minus 3, 3 is given by probability density function. F of x equal to 1 by 16 into 3 plus x the whole square. The interval is minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 1. Then 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2x square. The interval minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Then 1 by 16 into 3 minus x the whole square. Interval 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. The f of x given, we consider the continuous random variable. Okay. Verify that the area under the curve is unity. The area is equal to unity 1 or not. Want to verify. Okay. The solution. Integral. The range is minus 3 to plus 3. Minus 3 to plus 3. F of x into dx equal to minus 3 to plus 3. F of x into dx equal to. So minus 3 to plus 3. Split the interval. Minus 3 to plus 3. Have minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. So we have 3 limit values. So first minus 3 to minus 1. Minus 3 to minus 1. We have 1 by 16 into 3 plus x the whole square into dx plus. Next the limit minus 1 to plus 1. The f of x value is minus 1 to plus 1. F of x value is 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2x square into dx plus then 1 to 3. Okay, integral 1 to 3. The f of x value is 1 by 16 into 3 minus x the whole square into dx. Okay, this is equal. Consider all the time. The 1 by 16 is the common. So take an outside. We get integral minus 3 to 1 minus 1 and 3 plus x the whole square into dx plus minus 1 to 1 6 minus 2x square into dx plus integral 1 to 3 3 minus x the whole square into dx. Okay, have you understood? I given some formulas. Integral x power n into dx equal to, so one value power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is your integration formula. Then integral constant, any constant is equal to, so add with the variable kx plus c. Okay, this is second. And third one, integral ax plus b into dx equal to whole power. Okay. The third one, integral ax plus b whole power n into dx equal to ax plus b whole power raised to the power 1 n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Then the coefficient of x is 2, so divide the value. Okay, plus c. These three formulas apply here. Okay, integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Then the second one, integral constant term of integration is kx plus c. Okay. Then the third one, integral ax plus b the whole power n into dx equal to ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Then the coefficient of x is a plus c. That's all. Okay, one by one is solved here. Okay. Minus 3 to minus 1, 3 plus x the whole square into dx, which is equal to, okay, this is look like ax plus b format, ax plus b the whole power n format. The formula 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is your formula. So 3 plus x whole power n plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3 into the coefficient of x. This is 1. Okay. So interval is minus, limit value minus 3 to minus 1, which is equal to, apply the limit value, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is minus 1, so apply here. So 3 and x is replacing now minus 1 whole power 3 divided by 3 ones are 3. This is upper limit. Minus the lower limit 3 minus 3 the whole cube divided by 1 3s are 3. Okay, let's say equal to, simplify, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 cube divided by 3, and minus of 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 power any value is 0 divided by 3. Okay, this is equal to 2 cube is 8 divided by 3. 0 by any number is 0. 8 by 3 is the first answer. Then here, so integral minus 1 to plus 1, 6 minus 2x square into dx. Okay. So here, this is a constant. So integrating the constant, we add the variable 6x minus 2 into x is integrating x cube divided by 3, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. Then the limit minus 1 to plus 1 is equal to, apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 1, so 6 into 1 minus 2 into 1 cube divided by 3. Okay, this is upper limit minus lower limit minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 the whole cube divided by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to 6 ones are 6 minus 2 into 1 cube is 1 divided by 3 minus plus into minus minus 1 6 are 6 minus 2 into minus power add number is minus 1 cube 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 6 1 2s are 2 minus 2 by 3 minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 by 3. Okay, which is equal to 6 minus 2 by 3 and minus into minus plus 6 minus into plus minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12 and minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. Total is minus 4 by 3. Okay, this is the class multiplication. 3 12s are 36 minus 4 divided by 3. This is equal to 36 minus 4, so 32 divided by 3. Okay, this is the value of second integration. The first integration answer is 8 by 3. The second integration answer is 32 divided by 3. Then third one. Okay. Then third one, integral 1 to 3. 3 minus x the whole square into dx, which is equal to. So integrating this value, this is a form of integral ax plus b formula. So 3 minus x the whole power n plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3, and the coefficient of x is minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. Plus c. That's all. Then the limit value is 1 to 3. This is equal to. Apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit we apply 3 minus x is 3. The whole cube divided by plus into minus minus 1 3 are 3. Then the lower limit is 1. So 3 minus 1, x replaces 1. The whole cube divided by plus into minus minus 1 3 are 3. Okay. That's equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 cube is 0. 0 by minus 3 and minus of 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 by minus 3. Okay. This is equal to, this is 0. This is minus into minus plus 8 by 3. So on the third value is also 8 by 3. Finally, integral minus 3 to plus 3 f of x into dx equal to this 1 by 16. Okay. Now 1 by 16 into the first integration value is 8 by 3 plus the second integration value is 32 divided by 3 plus the third integration value is 8 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 16 into, so 3 is the common factor, and 8 plus 32 plus 8 is equal to 1 by 16. 8 plus 32 is a 40. 40 plus 8, 48 divided by 3. So 1 by 16 into 1 3s are 3, 16 3s are 18. So 16. So 1 16s are 16 is cancelled. Then remaining 1. So integral minus 3 to plus 3 f of x into dx equal to 1. Okay. Hence verify. Hence verify the curve is unity where the value is 1. Okay, dear students, today's homework page numbers 128 and 129. Example 6.4, 6.5, 6.6 and 6.7. The first one. Okay, use the condition and solve the problems. Thank you. God bless you.